Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine on this afternoon. Friends, today it's a most requested video. Everybody wants to know what is the pack which we can use it for our whole body, where our black spots like elbows, like neck and all can get instant glow. So today I'll be coming up with that instant glow, what you can do instantly, and you can see its effects so well, and it shows you results just within 15 to 20 minutes. By the time you apply and you are done, you'll see that your skin is turned into a one level low, and whatever your skin color and whatever, you'll feel great actually. So this is a very simple, and everybody has this kind of ingredients in their kitchen. So nothing much you need. You just need two or three things, and I'll show you all, friends. It's a full body polishing method. You can use it all over your body, your legs, your feet, your underarms. All this will become so clean and clear. You'll say, wow, this pack really works. So let's get started. So friends, the first thing you have to do is always clean up your face. Whatever, whether you have done your face wash or face this one, still there will be little bit of dust. So when you are sitting down to apply facials and doing some cleansing and all for your skin, make sure you wash the skin before with the soap, and after that never use a soap. You should always wash it with plain water, and others it will give more darkness if you use soap after this. So here's a cleansing pad. Here I've taken just ordinary raw milk, and it's very chilled, and just dip it. First thing is always to cleanse your skin. Just take like this and just drench the excess one. So just open it and first give a good cleanse on your full face, and always go upward, never go downwards, because the skin can hang down so badly and you can have a loose skin. So always you need to go from top to bottom. I mean from bottom to top actually. So I was just taking milk and I forgot. So you should always do it upward, never go downwards, otherwise the skin will have more problems. So here you do like this. You cleanse your face so well. Even near your eyes you can take this, because it's so clean and nice. It won't harm your eyes at all. You can even clean your lips, but I'll just keep my lipstick on. Otherwise my face will look too plain for a camera and for the YouTube recording. So this is how. Now I'll let it allow it to dry for 5 minutes, and then we'll apply a pack of here. So it's been 5 minutes and my face is really dried, but it's become too sticky. So this is how it should be, and now we have cleansed it well. Now we'll do exfoliation, friends. So this is how we'll just take some nice wheat flour. This is pure wheat flour, just what you find in your kitchen. Now we'll just take this milk. Now we'll add it together and make it a good paste. I put full because I knew I would use it off. So we'll just mix it. We'll mix it well. Here you can apply this with your fingers also, or if you want, you can just use this kind of a brush also. But I feel that it would be very easy with me for me to do it with my hands. So the milk is already absorbed and it's become in this consistency. So we'll just take this and just go upward again. Just apply it very well, and you'll feel that your skin is glowing instantly. So friends, it's been 10 minutes. I'll just rinse my face and I'll come and show you how it looks on my face. I've applied it very nicely and I've applied a thicker coat. So you can see the difference how it is. And I applied on even on my hands also. I feel good. You can just see. I'll just rinse my face and come. See friends, I've washed my face, so it looks clean and clear now, and I'm loving it because my skin has become very soft all over again. And friends, here I've brought half a spoon of yogurt, and this is homemade yogurt actually. So I'll be doing some facial massage now. So we'll just again I would prefer to apply it with my fingers itself because that's what my fingers I love with my fingers. So we'll just do our facial massage. Just rub. This is the homemade yogurt and it's a whole milk yogurt actually. I used a full fat milk, full vitamin D milk. So we'll just apply this also. This will give a good facial massage. Whatever leftover dirt is there, it will just come out. Just keep massaging and massaging everywhere, all over your face. I feel like you're licking of the yogurt. It's so good and creamy. Even if you lick, nothing will happen because it was a milk container, and again I'm applying some yogurt. You can even do this on your lips also. It will cleanse your lips and clean your lips of dry skin. Just keep massaging well. Just nice massage. How was your day, friends, today? My day was good. I'm just pampering myself. After this, I'll be changing my nail color. And in the next video, you'll see my nail colors different. How did you all like this color? It is light blue and dark blue. It's all coming out, but I had so much of work to do too. So, see friends, I've massaged it well over here. I've rubbed my yogurt in my whole face properly and nicely. It will remove all the impurities. So just keep massaging, and now that the yogurt is done, you can use both your hands. So today I showed you the whole 2 minutes of process how you should do, and this is more easier if you have both your fingers, both your hands. You can massage all over your face. You don't need a facial if you can do all this at home and take care of your own self. Just keep massaging, friends. It's been more than 2 minutes, but it's good to have at least 5 minutes spark treatment. The people we go to salons and all, they do it very well, but they charge us so much. And once I started doing all this by myself, I didn't feel like going to the salons, and this lockdown had made me have done for 1 or 2 friends of mine. They were so happy that saying that, oh, you saved us so many dollars. So I have very good friends who come home and I can do for them. So friends, you can do this on your hands also. So it will dry off, and today it was a good day. I could do so much of work today and rub all over this into your hands also. You will not feel that you're doing something wrong, but it will give you a good glow instead. So let it dry for more 5 minutes, and I'll rinse and I'll show you again, friends. So I'll just meet you after 5 minutes. So friends, here I've washed my face again after the yogurt which I had applied. I'm feeling so fresh already that I feel that, oh, I'm done with everything. But no, this is one more process is there, and the last process is to take some chickpea flour. So I'll just take some chickpea flour, like I don't need much. It's only 1/4 spoon. You all can see. I'll just add this in this. So I've taken chickpea flour. Now I'm adding some rose water, and here it is. Just a second, someone has come. So sorry, somebody came giving some sample, but I didn't want to take it. It was a milk sample from Longmount Dairy. I don't know if you guys have heard about Longmount Dairy Farms, where they give fresh milk, and this that guy said that there's no plastic waste because they'll give it in glass bottles. But I said, I know the taste of it because when I had come 20 years back to America, we used to order. The milk was really good. How many of y'all have used Longmount Dairy? Just let me know in the comments, okay? So my second ingredient is rose water in this chickpea flour, and we don't need much. We just need like 3 or 4 drops. That's more than enough. I think it must have become little liquidy. And I'll add some honey now, and I'm using Great Value 100% honey, so we don't need that much. I think that I'll measure it, and we just need just a drop of it. Yeah, so I'm using honey. So all these are the 3 things which I'll be using, and mixing it and again applying it well on my this one. I think it became little liquidy. The rose water became more. So I'm just adding a pinch of it. So yeah. And I'll apply this as a pack now again, and we don't need a thick pack because we can do this every day actually. So I'll just apply it little and show you all. Applying with the hand is so good. I think I'll come back to basic, doing it with my hand. So here friends, we just keep massaging all over again. Today we'll get a very good skin actually. The tone of the skin will become so clean and clear. Tomorrow when I make a video, I'll show my face and I'll apply some dark lipstick. Now there's no makeup in on my face actually, so it is just a plain face today because I've done so much of cleansing, explorating, face mask and face pack, and all this I've done and showed you. So see, this much was all good. So it's all finished today. Today I didn't waste anything. This is sometimes I have to go to the bathroom and put it all over my hands and all. But of course this is to be used on your whole body if you have time. This is how it looks, and we'll give it again 10 minutes and we are done with it now. So I hope you all liked it, and I'll come back in 10 minutes. I have to close it. Sorry. So friends, I washed my face. I'm feeling so good and clean and clear. Actually, my skin feels tightened up well. And now for 24 hours, I won't be using any soap or anything. So I'll just leave it. And when I come back tomorrow with a new video, you can see my skin in the next video after this. And you'll come to know that these products really work, and I love these products because they are really amazing, better than the soaps and chemicals which we use. I love this home products, and this can be used all over your head, from your face till your toe. Actually, you can do this under your elbows, on your knees, on your legs. You can just apply and set off. You can make actually like 4 or 5 spoons. Put good amount of oil, good amount of, you can add so many things, almond oil, and you can add turmeric. You can just add and add and add, and use a lot of rose water like I do, but your skin will just thank you for it, saying that we can do so much with every massage, everything. It is so clean and pure, and all the impurities just come out just like that, and nobody will say that I didn't wash my face with the soap, because I feel so good, because those all things have cleansing properties and all. So, and even in olden days, Cleopatra used honey and milk, and also she was the most beautiful girl, I heard. So we can just keep doing things and experimenting, and everything is there in the kitchen. So I hope you liked this video, and today we did cleansing with milk and exfoliating we did with the milk and wheat flour. So we did that. Then we did the facial massage with all that, and the last game was face pack. So we did 4 process today, and you'll see that all your black spots, pigmentation, sunburn, where your color was little different from like your neck and all, if you have time you can do it and you'll feel that difference. So all this help if you keep doing this daily, once in a week, like every 3 days in a week, and 4 days. If you can continue with this, you'll see a vast difference in your skin tone, your skin elasticity, and I feel very good when I do something pampering for myself. My next thing will be just to change my nail color, and I don't know what video I'll be doing tomorrow, but this is all for today, and hope you all have a good time today evening. And if you have liked it, just like it, share it, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching. Love you all always. Bye.